going on, guys? I just got a quick video to show you guys or to make on these OG G35 taillights. I am restoring them, so that is what the video will be about. Over time we wash them, or you probably washed them wrong with the car wash with the brush. It's just like paint. They do get swirls, they do get scratched up, so we are going to be restoring them. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. In the lighting you can see the swirls. Really, they're like halogens now. They are really swirled up. So we are going to be taking all of those scratches and swirls off. And what I will be using Meguiars Compound, and don't mind that I have two, and Ultimate Polish. And I went ahead and bought some Meguiars applicator pads and a microfiber towel. You will need multiple ones because you will have to clean them on and off. And then I will be using tape just so I can tape half so you guys can see the difference. So as I mentioned earlier, with the supplies you'll need, it will be a by hand DIY, and it would be much easier and efficient if you were to use a DA polisher, but I don't have that at the moment, and I don't feel like going out and spending $100 on like a beginner polisher just for this. You would get better results, obviously, but if this is a DIY, it's more efficient and easier, going to the store. But I've already gone ahead and taped the tail light. So we've gone ahead and completely cleaned them and dried them. So just a before. So now we'll get to compounding the tail light. So always read instructions, of course. You want to make sure and shake this up so you can activate it. So you can use like a cross pattern to apply the compound, just like a fair amount, and you're gonna want to do this in a circular motion with moderate pressure. And before it does dry out, you want to clean it off and buff it off with the microfiber towel, and just repeat the process maybe 2 or 3 times. But I'm gonna do this off camera so I can get the perfect pressure. So yeah. So I've gone ahead and done my first session. So now we'll be cleaning it off with a microfiber towel, and then repeat the process. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. You can definitely still see just some light scratches. Like I said, a DA polisher will be more efficient and you'll get better results. But this is just a quick DIY. Another thing you could do is you could wet sand this with like 8,000 or 1,000, and then go from like 2,000 and 3,000. I did a pair of Spec D headlights that way, and I got great results. But for now, this is just what I'll be doing. Now I'm going to be adding the third and final compound. So let's get to that. Okay, so I just finished doing the final and third compound. So this is, and I did take off the tape just so you can have a better view or understanding of how it is now. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and compound this 3 times, clean and dry each time I do it. So I have just finished completely compounding the taillight. Now I will add the polish, and the same rules apply just as the last for the compound. I will add it on the applicator pad. Obviously use a different pad. Shake it up, dispense it in a cross pattern, and then just rub it in 2 or 3 times. Add moderate pressure in circular motions, and that should be it. This is the one that I did before. This is the one that I just finished. So this is the final result. Puts in the light. You will see swirls from before and scratches. Again, it's not gonna completely do the job because it is by hand, as opposed to a DA polisher. But if you just want to do some DIY type stuff, then this is definitely it. It's fast and easy and much cheaper. Just something to touch up. I think this one looks a little bit better for sure. But yeah, I did the compound 3 times, and then I kind of bum rushed at the end. I did the polish just twice. But yeah, these are the results more or less of what you will get. I thought about doing the wet polish, the wet sanding, my bad. The wet sanding, but I just wanted to make this video before I went out. So yeah, that's it. Check out my Instagram, Death Wish abbreviated, DTHWSH. I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope it was helpful. Peace.